So to make the card, we are using the Secret Messages 5x7 mechanism die set. All the products are from Made to Surprise except one stamp set. So this will cut everything for your card. So you'll have this largest die here. I'm using some blue cardstock, so I've die cut out one of them. For the matte and layering pieces, you will get 3 large rectangle dies in different sizes, and you will also get 2 small rectangle dies. So the largest one, you will die cut out 2 white pieces of card using the largest die, and these are going to get tucked in behind these slots here, and that's where you're going to be stamping your images and sentiments. The next one down, I have die cut 2 of the patterned papers for the inside of the card, and then what will be the front of your card, I cut another one. Well, I cut another 2 of this size die in mirror card, and then the next one down, I die cut 2 blue card. Okay, and like I said, these are going to go on the front of the card. Then, like I said, you'll get 2 small rectangles dies. The largest one of the 2, I cut 4 out of the blue cardstock, and then I wanted to make the mirror card slightly bigger, so you will need to cut 4 of these with your paper trimmer at 7/8 of an inch by 2 1/4. Then you'll get 2 fatter rectangles dies. Out of the largest one, I've cut 4 of the blue cardstock, and then for the mirror card again, I wanted that to be slightly bigger, so they are 2 1/4 by 2 3/8, and again you'll need to cut 4 of them. I've also used the linen embossing folder to emboss my cardstock. Then you will need 4 more pieces using the patterned paper, and these ones measure 2 1/4 by 7/8 of an inch. Patterned paper I've used is the Mainly Mail paper pack. Then to decorate the card, I've done my stamping already just to save time, and I've coloured in my images. So we have some sentiments on the back here as well. So for them, I've used the Dress Him Up stamp and die set, Sporting Moments stamp and die set. I've used this free stamp set that I got in a magazine for the Happy Father's Day. We have the Secret Messages A5 stamp set, Mainly Manly A5 stamp set, and then the decoration on the front of the card that will go on the belly band, we use the All Sentiments stamp and die set. And I used my alcohol markers, and I know people like to see what colours I have used, so let me grab them, and then you could take a screenshot and you will know what colours I've used. Okay, I used Memento Tuxedo Black ink if I'm using my alcohol markers. Okay, so now you know what we've used, let's start assembling this card. So what I'd recommend doing is lay this on your scoreboard and just go over those score lines just so then it will make it easier to fold. So what you want to do is you'll have these 3 score lines here. This middle one you want to fold into a mountain fold, and then the other 2 you want to do a valley fold. Okay, have the letter shape M. So then open it back up. You're going to get these 2 pieces, and we're going to thread these through these cuts here. So this one I am going to do, I'm going to go under, so I'm going to come through this one here and then under and then over, like so. So then it will look like that. Okay, and then on the back of your card it will be plain, and as you can see the message that's on the back of there has disappeared. That's why it's called a secret message. It's so fun. And then this time we're going to go from this way, so we're going to go through here, back through there, and then through there, like so. Okay, make sure that's all straight. And for the person to reveal the secret message, you just simply fold the card up and then open it up in the middle to reveal the secret message. And then you just pull it open, and then it's plain on the back. How cool is that? I love it. So you want to add the patterned paper, so that's going to go on there. Then we are going to get 2 of these, so one will go here, one will go on the bottom. Get 2 of these ones and they will go on the white pieces. Get 2 of these and they will go on there. So go ahead and stick all them down. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And to get the stamping, I forgot to mention, to get the stamping in the right place, just thread your white card into those slots and then just get a pencil and just draw a slight line on there, and then open it up and do the same for that side. And then when you pull your white card out, you'll have your, you know, markings, so then you know where to stamp your images. So now we're going to do this bit. So again, we're going to have the rest of our pieces here. So we've got the 2 larger rectangles, then we have the smaller ones here, and then the patterned paper ones on the bottom here. So go ahead and stick them down. Okay, so that's that one done, and then it just opens up like so. Okay, make sure it's all stuck down nicely. So then we're just going to fold this over, and we're going to add these 2 pieces on to there. Okay, and then finally we just need to add a belly band. So I've got a piece of white card that measures 1.5 by, I think it's the width of A4 or the length of A4, so about 11 3/4. And all we're going to do is we're going to just wrap this around, and don't pull it round too tight because you want it to slide on and off easy. So once that's about right, then you can add some double-sided tape or liquid glue. I'm just going to use double-sided tape. And then I've got some mirror card, and this measures 4 5/8 by 1 3/8, and I'm just going to glue that on there like so. Then I've got my celebrate word here. I've die cut the word celebrate a few times in white card just to give it a bit of dimension and glue them on top of each other. So that's going to get glued there, and I think I'm going to do it at an angle so then I can place its time to just there. So I'm going to glue all that down. And there we go. So then you just slide the belly band off, and you've got space to write your message on the back. And then when the person opens it up, they have to find the hidden message. So it says, guess what? And then when they open it up, it will say, love you, happy Father's Day. So this is going to my husband from our children, and I think it's turned out really nice, and I can't wait for him to try and figure out where the hidden message is. So there we go, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial using Sam's new Made to Surprise secret message die set, and as always, everything will be listed in the description bar down below, so go and check that out. And happy Father's Day to all the dads out there, and I hope you all have a lovely day. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button. Until next time, guys, take care. Bye.